Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a perfect back neck of your kurti. So you have to take width of your neckline first from the folded side. So I'm taking 3 inch. Now I'm taking depth. So I'm giving 6 inch of depth here. Then from here also I will measure 3 inch and then I will make a line. Now I will join these 2 points with a straight line and I will make this block. Now in this block I'm going to make a simple round neck for the back side of my kurti. So this is done. Now I will cut this out. So after cutting this, my neckline is looking like this. Now I'm going to attach a strip here to complete it. So this is a bias binding strip. I'm going to fold this from middle and then I will attach this to the neckline. So here you can see this is my strip. So this is the wrong side and I'm going to fold this from the middle and then I will place this on the edges of the neckline. So this is the right side of my kurti. I'm going to place my strip like this. So this is done. I just cut the extra fabric and then give small cuts to the neckline. Now turn this part to the wrong side of your neckline. This is the right part. Here I am going to give the top stitch. So here you can see, just turn this strip to the wrong side of your kurti and then give top stitch to the edges of the neckline. So here my top stitch is done and it's looking like this. From the back side my neckline is looking like this. So what I'm going to do is I will fix this part with the help of needle and thread and I will give turpai here. So this is very easy to do. Here you can see how I'm doing this. So after giving the turpai, my neckline is ready and it's looking like this. Here you can see how clean and neat the neckline is looking. From the right side, my neckline is looking like this. So this was very easy to follow tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please give this video a like, share this video and comment below. You can subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram handle also. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.